So now we have to ask ourselves, can we still call this a rally in a bear market? No, I think it's got to be at least something bigger. Nevertheless, we have to ask ourselves if Powell's fire, now that it's off the table, what can take us higher still after what we have to expect is a nice follow-through rally tomorrow, maybe tomorrow morning? First, of course, it's entirely possible we resume the decline after a short, sharp spurt higher on the welcome news of Powell staying. That's what happened last time after we heard that there'd be a 3-month pause on most of the tariffs. I don't deny it's a possibility, a very real possibility, because it happened before. It was a fairly good possibility it could happen again, and we might just go back down. Second, though, there's a great misunderstanding about how real recoveries get started. They always start as bear market rallies, for heaven's sake. They're rarely based on hard facts. There's usually tremendous skepticism toward these advances because of previous failures that only the most bold or the most foolish catch the beginning of. Now, look, just because the president doesn't want a constitutional crisis and is going to keep Powell doesn't mean we have more to go on. For example, there's been no sign of change from the administration on the trade wars. I mean, he's talking about maybe we want to have 0, maybe 45. I mean, he's not giving us anything beyond the amorphous closed-door statement attributed to Treasury Secretary Besant that the China tensions are not sustainable. Well, that seemed almost cheesy in its prurient derivation. But again, when you get this kind of rally, it doesn't happen because someone gave you the green light to start buying. You don't get a statement from the president the trade war is over and everything's back to normal. Buy, buy, buy. By the time there's definitive proof, usually the rally's been going on for a while. Usually you've missed the rally.
Don't miss a second of Mad Money. Follow @Jim Cramer on X. Have a question? Tweet Cramer. #MadMentions. Send Jim an email to madmoney@cnbc.com or give us a call at 1-800-743-CNBC. Miss something? Head to madmoney.cnbc.com.